Okay, lo usithembiso kaHlatshwayo from Kenterton Primary School. Sihlalo we-district ku-athletics. Today sizokwenza i-district athletics competition yama-primary schools. Okusho ukuthi la siphethe wonke ama-primary schools asogwini. Lento lesenzela ukuthi sihlanganise izingane as ama-athletics, as all sports nje. Ingane edlala ama-sports nasesikoleni yenza kahle.
Hi guys, welcome. My name's Megan Robotham. I'm from Azocha Primary School and we're here today at the Regional Athletics Trials. It's been so great to be here, and this is round 3, I think, of the trials. The kids have had such a wonderful time. It's been so incredible to watch the kids connect with other children and make friends and take part and learn new things. Us in particular, it's been really, really cool to see the kids thriving outside of the classroom. We obviously believe education is such a wonderful, important part of all of this, but it's been so great to see them also connecting on the field and shining and thriving and learning new techniques.
Into athletics iqala ngoJanuary, iqala kuma-school ama-houses. That is where the children participate. From ama-houses siyasuka siye kwi-circuit competition la kuhlangana zonke izikole zakwi-circuit. Then from i-circuit siya kwi-CMC competition where all 6 CMCs compete, and then bese kuba ama-district competitions. Kwi-district ke kusuke sekuhlangene wonke ama-CMCs ase-Scottsburg. Inhloso yalento ukuthi izingane zikhompithe zize zifike kwi-national level. Ama-winners la azoya kwi-provincial level afika compete khona, then winners from there siyathemba ukuthi bazofika kwi-national level where all provinces will be competing. Lento iyasiza ukuthi izingane is expose to other provinces, to izingane from other schools. Njengoba nibona nje khona izikole zabelungu la, kunezamandiya, kunezabantu abamnyama.
Hello, my name is Annalise and I come from St. Natal Primary School.
Igama lami nguZanda Mngomezulu, ngifunda eScottsburg Primary la besodlala ama-Ugu district. Hayi kuhambe kahle.
I feel happy and it was a fun adventure for me.
Angenzi long jump, long jump yona bilula ngoba abantu bengibabona hayi nawo bezokwazi ukwenza, kodwa kwi-high jump bekune competition enzima kabi. Kodwa khona ngum number 1.
Yes, okokuqala nje umuzwa wakho umhle kakhulu ngoba ithi lonto uma uthisha njengoba uze la okokuqala nawe ugaina ulwazi, thola ulwazi, uyaqhuquzeleka nabantwana bebefika eklasini bafika sebethe uba fit physically and mentally. Ingane mayidlala enye ithola ibalance, uthola enye bi-weak, ngenxa ukuthi iyajima yakule igcine senjani seba expose, ithola nabanye abantwana nokuhlakazeka umqondo, enye igcine sephila ngalo italent leli. Nothisha njengoba la agcine naye senolwazi olujulile ngaloku kwezemidlalo. Yiko sibaqhuquzela nje othisha babe ingxenye ezemidlalo. Njengoba nginje ungibona nami nje esikoleni ngifunda nje ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi ngifunde ezikoleni ezazenza imidlalo. Ngumuntu ofita kwi-soccer, netball, kwi-soccer, football, ku-athletic and so on. Yiko nje i-sports kumina ngisiphila. Ngiyabagqugquzela ozakwethu o-principal ukuthi izingane zabo ake babe ingxenye ye-sports. Ingane ayiphili ngokufunda kuphela. Khona ingane leyogcina into enkulu ngani nge-sports. Yiko nje sinengane sizikhiqizile ezinye zidlala emaqembini amakhulu, ziphuma khona ezikoleni, bazibona la o-coach bese bebona abasendala is right.
Igama lami uNomzamo Ngwangcobo, ngisuka ka-South African Red Cross Society la ePortshepstone branch. La size ukuzosiza kwi-first aid izingane njengoba zigijima. Engingakusho ngokwezikole ukuthi izingane abazi-encourage ukuthi zijoine i-sports for i-physical being yazo, emotionally and socially kuyasiza. Manje we are having a lot of cases ama-drugs So to avoid lokho, rather ingane join i-sports ibe active with something than ukuthi ibe nesikhathi esiningi free igcine seyijoyina nezinto ezirong.
Hi, I am Snenhlanhla Ntuli. I am the parent from Squidbera Primary School. I'm here to support my son. He came to play games. It's so exciting. I also brought along 2 children to come do running, high jump, long jump. So it was exciting to see them excelling in their skills. So as a parent, I think this is a perfect time to come and support your kids as they showcase themselves. We usually go for their awards when they are doing well academically, but it's also important that for sports as well, we support them, because when the parent is around, you see the excitement in their faces, you see that they are eager to run and compete with other kids, and also to see them how they function with other kids around, building relationship with kids from other schools.
So our kids partook in track events this year. We had 11 participants, and at this point we have 3 who are competing today. We're really proud of our kids. We've got 2 first places and a second place currently. They've been doing really, really well, and we're really proud of them. They're competing really well. They've learnt a lot. There's some things that we'd like to improve on for next year. There's always space for improvement, and we're hoping we can learn more from all the wonderful officials here and everything they've got to teach us. We're hoping to possibly start training a little bit sooner, maybe out of in the December holidays, maybe the beginning of the year, and work on things like staying in your lane and basic things that we tend to forget when we're kids and we're competing at a young age. So we hope that that's all that they can achieve in this year, and we hope all the best for them for this year and the coming years.